Hello guys, welcome to my channel. You are watching CPA Hacks and we are in the path of 1 week challenge to $1,000. We are in the day 3. Okay, let's see what are the things we are going to see today. Okay, this content is related about landing pages. Okay, landing pages generate more than $1K per week. Okay, because landing pages have a great power in CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. Okay, without landing pages, you can't earn a single dollar with CPA marketing or affiliate marketing because people will always trust on your landing page because you will have a great content in your landing page. So this is the main concept in landing page. Okay, and let's see how to create a proper landing page. Okay, it's an easy thing, but let me show you with a practical. Okay, first go to get response. Actually this is a 30 days free trial tool. Okay, after 30 days you can create another mail and use the same website. Okay, click on create landing page. Just select any template. Okay, for example let me just create any name for it for an example. In the meantime, you just get a CPA link from any website you are getting. Okay, just choose any task and get your CPA link. Okay, so for an example, you're picking a email submission CPA link, but you're not going to tell them as we are just collecting your emails. Okay, because this is the main mistake everybody are doing. For an example, how we should create a landing page. Here in this place we are going to use a trick. If you have a Facebook account, means in that Facebook account there are multi groups are related to jobs. Okay, job related groups are available in Facebook. In the job related groups, many people are waiting for getting a job or applying for a job, so you are going to target them. Any field you can take, but for an example I am teaching you with job related groups. Okay, so we should create a landing page regarding jobs. Jobs in your own country. Jobs. Okay, okay, then so this is a simple landing page, but you should create with some extra more grand. Okay, so this is the main thing. Just you can change any font as per your own ideas. Okay, so this is the actual concept in landing page. Then here you won't complete the work, then you have a main work in this landing page. Let's see what is that. Customer pain point generates more revenue. You should speak about the problem which they are facing. If you got the customer points, means that points will generate you more money in CPA marketing and affiliate marketing too. So this is the main concept. In this place we are going to use a trick. For an example, uh, actually here will be a text font. Okay, okay, Yes guys, so this is your customer pain points. Okay, if a person who are waiting for a job looks your landing page, means he will be get attracted by your content, because you are just showing up the struggling points which they are facing. So you are asking them as, are you struggling to get a job? Are you waiting for your job related to your studies? Do you need a job in your own country? So people always attracted when they get the questions which they are facing in their own life. So this will generate you a quick money in CPA marketing. This is the most amazing trick in CPA marketing and affiliate marketing. Okay, just always collect the pain points which they are facing. Okay, in any niche, in job related content or iPhone giveaways on any other, just collect some customer pain point and just place it on your landing page. After studying their landing page, sorry, reading their landing page, automatically they will going to submit their emails here. Okay, in this download button, instead of this you are going to do as enter. Okay, enter, or else let's close this and create a new. Okay, okay, enter. In this word you are going to paste your CPA link which you have collected. Just paste your CPA link and click on OK. So your simple landing page clear. You can just always delete this other pages, other unwanted pages. If you want, you can extend your content, or else you just delete it. Okay, so this is your simple landing page. Okay, jobs in your own country, high payment jobs. Are you struggling to get the jobs? And just click on save. Okay, then call to action should be simple as we kept here. Just you should have a simple landing, I mean which attractive landing page you should have, but your call to action should be simple. What is call to action means? If a person clicks your CPA link button, means he should directly go to the CPA page. Okay, you should not go any other page like Facebook, any other links. You should not direct, you should actually paste the landing page link in the CPA link in the landing page itself. Okay, this is the main thing in landing pages. This is the quick call to action in landing page. Okay, let me see this. Okay, so this is your landing pages. After, you should copy this landing page and go to Facebook, search some job related groups, join in every group and post this link in every Facebook. Okay, just upload some good photos like jobs related photos and just upload in the Facebook and paste the link there. So the persons who are interested with the job will automatically click your landing page link and he will get attracted by your content. Then he will submit the things which they are going to face. Okay, if they click on enter, automatically they will go for this landing page. This is the most easiest and simplest trick which every CPA marketer must know. Okay, yeah, this is the thing. Then you should spend more time on landing pages, because landing pages always generate more revenue to you. Okay, please follow the action and follow the methods. Okay, so we have successfully completed 3 days in 1 week challenge to earn $1,000. Tomorrow we are going to see some important chapters like content logging and some traffic sources also. Okay, let me see what are the things I will upload in the next 3 days. Okay, thank you guys, have a nice day.